Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to report a server on Discord app, and the first thing you need to do is turn on developers mode. So you have to go to the user settings right here at the bottom. You're just going to click on that, and after that you have to click on advanced, and here's the developer mode, and you have to turn it on, otherwise this won't work. So after that you just go to the server you want to report, and with the right click of the mouse you're gonna click on the server itself, and you just copy ID. After that you're just gonna go to support.discord.com, and you're gonna click on submit request. You have to choose a reason, so for example trust and safety. For what's the reason of the report, you're just gonna write your email, how they can help, so report some issue, is subject, and in the description you will have to paste the ID of the server, and you also need to copy the ID of the developer of this server. So you're gonna go to the developer, you're gonna copy his ID also and paste it to the request, and after that you click on submit. And I don't know how much time it will take to do that, but that's how you do that. And that's it guys, that's what I wanted to share, and if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe for more, and take care. Bye.